Mastering the Cambridge English, Preliminary, PET. Hey learners! Today, we'll dive into an essential part of the Cambridge English exams, the Cambridge English, Preliminary, PET. It's a fantastic stepping stone for those aiming for fluency in English. Let's unpack what this exam is all about. The Cambridge English, Preliminary, PET, is one of the general English exams. It's an intermediate-level examination designed to show that a candidate has mastered the basics of the English language and can communicate in practical, everyday tasks. It's a brilliant milestone to prove your English language capability. The PET is divided into three main parts. 1. Reading and writing. This section takes about 1 hour and 30 minutes. It assesses your understanding of various texts and your ability to convey information in writing. 2. Listening. Lasting around 36 minutes. This part evaluates how well you understand spoken English in different situations. 3. Speaking. In this approximately 10 to 12-minute section, you'll interact with another candidate, performing various tasks to demonstrate your spoken English proficiency. There are numerous reasons to take the PET. 1. International recognition. It's accepted worldwide by thousands of employers, universities, and government bodies. 2. Skill enhancement. The diverse tasks within the exam ensure you develop a holistic grasp of the English language. 3. Stepping stone. It's an excellent preparatory step for more advanced Cambridge English exams. Success in the PET, like any other exam, requires preparation. Here are some tips. 1. Practice regularly. Consistent practice is key. Make use of practice papers and sample tests. 2. Engage in real-life conversations. This will particularly help you in the speaking and listening sections. Engage in conversations with native or fluent speakers whenever possible. 3. Read daily. Newspapers, magazines, or books can significantly improve your vocabulary and comprehension skills. The Cambridge English, Preliminary, PET, is more than just an exam. It's a validation of your growth and proficiency in the English language. By preparing diligently, not only will you be set to ace the exam, but you'll also build skills that will be invaluable in your personal and professional life. Best of luck, and remember, every step in language learning is a step towards a world of opportunities.